Hello guys, this is Kimberly. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you shortcut style wig. This is just a regular wig, not the lace front. And this is how it looks. The color is very pretty. The base color is like the lightest brown and there are blonde streaks in it. It has tapered nape, so it looks very natural. And it has volume at the top, at the middle. It's very pretty. And this is made of synthetic hair, but it's high quality and lightweight. So it looks like a human hair. Okay, I love this fluffy at the top. Okay, take a look at it and the details. It has open breathable cap. Very stretchable, and between these the wefts is very narrow, so it doesn't have much hair, but it looks a lot. And this is the tone of the color. And the texture is very soft. And these, the top. I don't like the finish line, but it's worth it. And I think it works. And it has adjustable band right this side. And it's very light. This is good for a person who doesn't like the lace front wig. It's easy to wear. And this is good for a person who does have the oval face and bright skin tone. It's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.